Hello everybody, this is my 52-inch, I think it's a Loyal, correct me if I'm wrong, Loyal GE Vent ceiling fan model A6 from 1984, I think, 1984, I'm not too sure. Cast iron motor, found this in the curb, in the neighborhood a while back, probably a few months ago, and probably one of my most unique fans. And the light, it didn't come with no like it, so I just put a like it for it. Here, let me turn the light off. It came with no light whatsoever, so and no bottom cap, so I couldn't find it anywhere. But yeah, that's not the original down rod. It's actually here. That's right here. It's a J-hook mounted down rod, as you can see. And the canopy, the bell canopy is original. Everything else is original. Blades are original. It only has the variable speed doesn't work because I had to rewire because somebody completely ripped off everything from inside, and I didn't know how to wire it again, so I just put it straight on or off. And the variable speed, I don't think either doesn't work, or I don't know how to connect it because it only has 2 wires. But yeah, it's a 1-speed fan. You already saw it with the light on. Let me turn it on again to show you. It has a halogen light bulb in it. But yeah, let me show you for you. This is high. It's mounted on a ball socket because I don't have how you call it, a J-hook mounting hardware. There it is on high. It's a really, really powerful fan. It doesn't wobble that bad, but it could use some alignment. Is with the light on. Oh, and reverse doesn't work either, so it's just forward. And light it off. Pretty good fan. Here's off. The pull chain is really light. Like if you put if I put that little ball right there, that ball pull chain, if I put it on this pull chain for the fan, it won't. If you pull it, it'll just stay pulled down and it won't go up. So I think there's like the spring in there is broken or something. So I don't know, or is it old? But yeah, I really, really like this fan. One of my favorite fans in my collection. And yeah, it's really, really heavy fan with cast iron and everything. But yeah. The brass is in alright condition. It's not that great. My worst brass right now is from my branded ceiling fan, and yeah, this heritage spinner right here, because the brass on this is horrible. I don't know if you can tell, but it's you can pretty much tell. It's really, really bad. But yeah, the brass on this thing's alright. You can't tell from far. Only if you kind of look at it, you might, but it's alright. A good spin down on this thing. Let me turn off my gas so when it goes off. Oh, and it doesn't work on 4-speed choke control. I don't know why. It killed my last one. It killed my speed control, so I'm not gonna run it on speed control. It didn't work on a remote receiver. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll show you guys a close look at it. Here it is. Those unique blade arms. There's the top of it. I can't reach the tag. It's a pretty high ceiling. It's like probably like a 15-foot ceiling. But yeah, there's a fan. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.